Hello, I am Pragya Thakar, Assistant Professor of Science Department at Biyani Girls College. I welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today, I will be delivering my lecture on the topic transposons. So what are transposons? Transposons are the genetic elements or the mobile elements or the jumping genes that can transpose, that can move from one position to another into the genome. These have been first identified by Barbara McClintock in the prokaryotes. These elements have been classified into two types depending upon the mechanism of transposition. The first one are the retrotransposons and the second are the DNA transposons. Coming on to the first category, that is the retrotransposons. The retrotransposons are the transposons that involve the process of transposition through two stages. In the stage first, as you can see here in the diagram, the DNA is transcribed into the RNA, and the RNA is finally again reverse transcribed to the DNA by the process of reverse transcription, and the enzyme that carry out this process is called as reverse transcriptase. Finally, the product is incorporated into the target DNA and modify it or inactivate it. The retrotransposons has been divided into three types. First, LTRs, second lines, and the third are the signs. The first one are the long terminal repeats, that is the LTRs, are the repetitive sequences or the transposons that can encode reverse transcriptase similar to the retroviruses. The second one are the lines that have the capability of encoding the reverse transcriptase enzyme but lack LTRs and are transcribed by the RNA polymerase second enzyme. Now coming on to the third or the last category of retrotransposon, that is the signs. They do not encode the reverse transcriptase as well as they are transcribed by the RNA polymerase third enzyme. Now coming on to the second class of the transposons, that is the DNA transposons. The DNA transposons, as you can see here, do not involve an RNA intermediate like the first one, that is the retrotransposons. These transposons are first cut by the transposase enzyme. Transposase enzyme induces staggered cut in the particular DNA that consists of the transposon, producing a 5' to 3' sticky ends single stranded DNA. These finally incorporate into the target DNA, modifying it like the retrotransposons. That's all for the lecture. Thank you, and thank you. For more information, you may visit our website www.gurukpo.com.